Hello, friends. The process of change in the shade of the teeth. It is what we call it as the teeth whitening process. It is a process in which your yellow and dirty teeth can be changed into a beautiful bright smile. So come, let us watch the video on how can we do this teeth whitening procedure.
Subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah and get tips on healthy teeth.
Hello and a very happy morning to all of you. And here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. So friends, today we are going to discuss on the topic of teeth whitening. Last Monday, if you have missed the video, do definitely watch that. We had discussed on how the home hacks are harmful for your procedure of teeth whitening. The sodium bicarbonate, the lemon, the strawberries, and all the charcoal methods and all that is really harming your teeth. So to have a healthy and a brighter smile, there are various procedures available with the dentist. Do definitely visit your dentist and get knowledge on how can you brighten up your smile. So today we are going to discuss on the topic of teeth whitening by the process of bleaching. Yes, the term is bleaching. You literally bleach off your teeth. You give them or make them 2, 3, 4 shades whiter and take a step towards that Bollywood kind of smile. Before moving to the procedure, let us discuss on what are the types of stains that you can get on your teeth. So, there are two types, the intrinsic one and the extrinsic one. The intrinsic ones are which you get internally, that is because of the darkening of the tooth. How can the darkening of the tooth happen? It can happen because of one, trauma, injury, or second, if there are some cavities or caries, then your tooth can just darken up. Third, if it has died or dead, non-vital, then your teeth can show the process of blackening or darkening. The second intrinsic type of stain is by the process of some drugs. It can be because of the drugs like tetracycline or iron syrups which you have taken up or your parents have given you in the childhood. So these drugs can cause staining on the tooth, which is intrinsic, internally happening. Then there are some crack lines or fracture lines which can also take up the staining and just get blocked or just packed in your teeth, which is not removable from the external sources. So all these are the examples of your intrinsic staining. Now let us discuss the second part, that is extrinsic staining. As you know, something which is by the external factors. So tea, coffee, red wine and many other factors which externally cause the change. It can also be some white spots and fluorosis, amelogenesis and all these things which externally show a lot of change in your teeth. So this both types of stains can be cured and healed or brightened up to your desired shade with the process of bleaching. So now coming to the topic of bleaching. Bleaching is a process in which a solution with the help of some trays which can be customizable or non-customizable, this is placed on your teeth. This solution is made to act on your teeth and with the help of some lights or some chemical process, it just brighten up your smile. So in simple terms, bleaching is a process in which a solution of hydrogen peroxide or carbamate sulfate, all these liquid solutions are made to enter in your teeth, break some bonds, enter into the inorganic process and just brighten up your smile. In this process of bleaching, you have two types which you can normally do. One is in office, that is in the dental clinic or in dental office. So this in-office technique uses a one-time single setting which can around take 1 to 2 hours. This is a concentrated form of the solution, application of solution on your teeth and then use of some lights, some halogens to which activates this chemical on your tooth and causes bleaching. The dentist can remove this solution, check on the desired shade, and then reapply and redo till your desired shade is achieved. The second process is at home. That is, your dentist gives you some trays and the solution, which is less concentrated, to apply at home. This has to be around applied. If it is concentrated around 20%, then only for 3 to 4 hours. If it is concentrated only till 10%, then 5 to 6 hours in a day. Especially we recommend it at night, because you sleep for 5 to 6 hours and at that time the chemical is acting on your teeth. It does not really require any activation. It automatically activates and acts. The process might just take 2 weeks, that is around 15 to 20 days. So once this at home bleaching is done, it has to be definitely monitored by follow-ups of 3 to 4 days with your dentist, because it should not harm your teeth or not cause uneven bleaching. So just to follow up with the dentist, just have a visit of 10 minutes, go check if everything is going good, and then at home can be practiced. There is a third thing which is nowadays a lot of in trend, that is on-counter bleaching agents, which are available in strips, gels, toothpaste, trays, and a lot of brands have been involved in this. But I would suggest that instead of going to this over-the-counter bleaching agents, you always ask your dentist on how and what type of brand or what kind of bleaching agent should you use. They are not accepted by the government. They are not approved, and still they are in the market. It is better to take an advice than get affected. Coming to the indications of the bleaching treatment. You can opt for this treatment in the conditions of whether it is tetracycline or due to iron syrup stains, if there is some tea coffee stains, if there are some fluorosis, amelogenesis, or there is some weakening. And the most and the important indication for this is the aesthetics. Yes, if you want to have some good and bright smile for some special occasions, then you can always opt for this treatment. Now, coming to the contraindications, that is, when can we not do this procedure? It is mostly indicated in all the patients, but if there are some pathology, some infection in the tooth, if you are suffering from any cavities, then it is not indicated. First, get the treatment done of the cavities, the pathology, get that treated, and then go for this treatment option of bleaching. The second thing is, if you have hypersensitivity, that is, your teeth are already weak, they are showing some sensations to the cold or to the hot, then this bleaching can increase the sensitivity issue. If you have weak or tooth structure is not that good, your teeth are brittle, then also it is not recommended that you have to undergo the bleaching procedure. Also, in the conditions of periodontitis or gingivitis, that is something inflammation or infection related to your gums, because we are using hydrogen or carbamide peroxide, which is an acid in nature. So this acid can directly cause more and worsen the condition of your gums. So instead of going for the bleaching treatment first, get your overall health of the teeth and the gums into a better position and then go for this aesthetic treatment. That would be a better option. The other contraindication is if you are pregnant or a lactating woman, then you are not allowed to undergo this treatment. Children under the age of 16 are not allowed to have this treatment. Now, coming to the risk, like if you're going something aesthetic, do I have any involved risk in it? You definitely have the involved risk when coming to this aesthetic bleaching treatment. That is, it might cause some burning sensation to your gums during or a little bit after the treatment. It can also increase your sensitivity. That is, it can cause hypersensitivity. Then in the later on stages, if you continuously go on doing this bleaching treatment, then it can thin and weaken your tooth structure, because it is at the end the acid which is acting. So these are a few risks involved, but if with proper care and precaution you do this treatment with the advice of the dentist, then you can step and be into a correct position. Now coming to the maintenance part. After any treatment, what is important is maintenance from your side. In my all, and I think most of the videos I have been saying this. We dentists just operate, we just treat. But if you don't maintain, the treatment is definitely going to fail. So in this treatment of whitening, what are you supposed to take care? Just two things: brushing and flossing properly, and second is having good follow-up with your dentist. Also, you have to avoid food which stain your teeth, like tea, coffee, wine, obviously, then smoking, tobacco. All these teeth will just reverse the condition. So avoid these things. Also avoid sodas or acidic things which can just erode or cause depletion of this bleaching procedure that we have done. At the end, I would like to say that friends, we all desire to have a great and a bright smile. But when undergoing this treatment of bright smile, make sure that you have the maximum health restored. Bleaching is a procedure which I would recommend not on regular basis. Yes, but if you have some special occasions coming up, like your graduation, wedding, or some job interviews, or like you're going to opt for modeling, in this conditions or in all the circumstances, bleaching is a very good option. Yes, also mark it that it is a temporary procedure which is done, which can slowly deplete around 6 months to 1 year range. So once it starts depleting, if you really desire more, you have to redo it. So that's the reason I wouldn't suggest bleaching on everyday or regular basis. It is just an aesthetic procedure on which you can opt for if you desire to. Otherwise, for having good and healthy teeth, having bright smile, you should always brush twice, visit your dentist in every 6 months, and yes, have a cleaning treatment done which can easily remove the stains on your teeth and also the plaque and the calculus. So a good scaling can also brighten up your teeth. So ask your dentist on what is a better option and what should you go for or opt for. Thank you for watching this video. If you have loved this video, please do share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah. Spread some love and give a thumbs up to this video. Do comment if you have any questions related to bleaching or any other dental health issues. Bye bye, take care and just be Orfit. Thank you.